Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a little look at this camping light. It is pretty standard, I guess, and pretty straightforward on usage wise, but I still thought we would share it. So basically how this works is to just charge it up in the back here. Um, as you see, it is nice and secured, and then at the top and on the bottom front it actually has three buttons. One to turn it on. This is the light, really nice, and then the other buttons just adjust the light itself, so we can get like warm and some colder light, and also go for really cold light here as well. And yeah, that way you can just set that up, put it out there when you're actually um, out camping, and yeah, it's much brighter than it might look right now. It's doing a pretty decent job, especially considering the fact that it's fairly small. It's not going to take a lot of room, which I like a lot. And yeah, this is basically what you can expect. As you see down here, it's another handle, so you can actually hang it up as well if that's something you're looking for. And that's going to be it for today, you guys. So until then, my name is Badger, and bye bye.